Okay, so Sheldon. Right, so we've got our vanishing points. That's great. Then you have started with the line here. That's great. Now what we need to do, this is the bottom of that building. This is the top of that building. This is the top of that building. And this is the top of, is the bottom of that building as well. So those are fine. Yeah, good. Now let's make sure these verticals are very straight. Okay, just going to make, that's as big as my brush goes. So you can see that you have got that basic shape. Right, okay. Because these are verticals, and this one goes to that vanishing point, and this one goes to the left vanishing point, and the same with this one goes to the left, this one goes to the right. That's good. Now all those windows need to do exactly the same thing. So you've done the verticals, these are the vertical lines. Say your windows are here, done them fine, okay? But then what we need to make sure is that the windows, the tops and the bottoms of the windows are going to the vanishing point as well. And because this is the right hand side of the building, these ones are going to go always to this vanishing point. So you get your ruler and you line it up there and make sure that it's going, and you just draw this bit only, not this line, because you don't really need that. And then this bit as well, is that going to the vanishing point? Whoops, not quite. Just delete that. Yeah, so it's more like that. Yes, I haven't got a ruler, you see, so I'm sort of winging it here. Going to delete those because makes it all messy. So all of these lines that you've done here can be erased when you think you've got them right. And then let's look at this one. So we're quite close to the horizon line. Your horizon line is here. Here. Along there. Okay. So we're quite close to the horizon line. In fact, we're on it here. So that's going to look like it's actually horizontal. And here again, that's fine. And then here it's going to slope slightly upwards because it's going up to the vanishing point. Up again to the vanishing point. This one's going up to the vanishing point because the vanishing point's above it. And so on, you see. And then on this side, the left-hand side, we've got this one going wee. So that is the top of the window. There's the verticals. Verticals, 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 verticals. And then this one's quite going to that one. And then this one's going to that one. So it's like that. This one's going up a bit because it's below the vanishing point's above it. This one as well is going up a bit because it's going like that. This one as well is going even more dramatically, you see. And then if you were going to do a door, you'd have to decide, is it going to be on the left or is it going to be, is it going to be on the right or is it going to be on the left? Let me just make these go away so that we don't make our work too messy. And if we're going to draw a door then, let's see. Well, let's say we're going to have it here. So we've got our verticals in. Okay. And now because it's on the right-hand side, it goes to the right vanishing point. Okay. So it's like that because it's going to go wee all the way up to there. Okay. So that would be how yours could look a bit better. And what else? Should we put in another building? Okay, so we've got, I don't know what this line here is doing. It doesn't know where it's going, does it? So we want it to be vertical, 2 verticals, another vertical. Wish my lines were a bit thicker. Maybe I can use a thicker pen. Let's try this one. Ooh, very thick. Okay, it's just so that we can see over your drawing. Now, we're on the left-hand side, so we're going to get it to go to the left vanishing point. So this is the top of the top of the building is practically like that. Let me just try and erase. Let's just put there. So it's almost like that, isn't it? Now the bottom of the building is quite dramatically underneath the horizon and underneath that. So that is your bottom of your building. That line there. Okay. And that's going to make it look more realistic. And then what's going to happen here? How do we make it look 3D? Well, this area here is going to go to this vanishing point over there. And so will this one. Okay. We have to picture ourselves drawing a line across there. Yes, it's lined up. Good. Okay. Oops, just take that off. And if we were to draw a line, Sheldon, draw another building in, let's say we're going to use this line as our basic sort of the edge of the pavement, the bit where the building starts. And we're going to go like this. Just draw 2 verticals in. And then again, we're on the right-hand side, so we want it to go to the right vanishing point like that. Yeah, that works. And then we want to go on this side to get the back of the building, the side of the building. We want to go to the left vanishing point. Okay, so it'll be more like that. Now, look, we're looking down on this one, so we can actually see the roof of the building because it's quite a short building. So when we can see that, we have to go, the left side goes to the right vanishing point. So that's about there. And then the right side, which is this corner here, goes to the left vanishing point. Okay. Just rub out all of this because we don't need it. Now, I know I haven't done that in the neatest of ways, but hopefully you can see, Sheldon and anyone else, just how to... It's actually quite simple when you've got the hang of it, okay? But you're a little confused. All right, boys.